So that was very first shots with the 365 Legion, and I gotta tell you, I liked it a lot. I definitely liked it more than the Glock. The Glock 43X MOS with the SIG Romeo is what I was carrying, and this is now part of my new EDC. So I carry this. I carry a 21 round mag and an additional 17 round mag, and I always carry some type of fixed blade and also a folder. That's pretty much what I carry every day. The biggest advantage that I noticed was this shoots a lot flatter. I didn't lose that dot hardly at all during the recoil. You know, go there and back. That was pretty much the gist. I'll give you more on that SIG full video. Hoping the weather gets a little better than 19 degrees. So see you soon.